Alright. Fun back. So, still cracking away at this pail that I just filled up last video. So, I'm gonna keep going here. So, yeah, it's pretty much how you guys would think it would go. But hopefully tomorrow, when I do the FS25 Season 14 episodes, that at least some of it will be, at least most of the videos will be halfway decent, I would think. And yeah, so oh great. Usually when they're broken in half like that, you guys, usually you gotta do it by hand, otherwise it won't go through the sheller. The sheller won't take it. So, anyway, so there's been quite a lot. Yeah, there's just been so much going on, you guys, with the start of field work and everything else like that. And yeah, so maybe after this video, maybe I'll be able to go out and at least try and film some for there. So we'll have to just wait and see and how things. I'll probably put this stupid thing upside down. Yeah, it's. most of this corn, the loose stuff anyway, and the ground up stuff, will actually be get vacuumed up at the there. Yeah. The only reason why I'm not saying too much to you guys is because it's been a long day. And when I say it's been a long day, I mean it has been one of those long freaking days where it's just gets tiring, gets old to no end. So, yeah. Oop. Yeah, sometimes, ladies and gentlemen, the damn thing moves and then you're pissing around trying to get that all, trying to get the stay still. So, yeah. So we'll see how it goes on tomorrow. That little tinkle sound that you can hear in after every cob is the rest of the corn getting in the tin can, which you guys can see it right there by the coffee can. So honestly, guys, I'm not in a happy mood. I had to break off a friendship that apparently I had had enough of, and that was it. I had completely enough of it, and I was like, you know what, done, tired of it. So I I know. You know, I know what you guys are gonna say. I would have to have a good logical reason why I'm ending a friendship. Let's just say that this friend I was friends with, she had made a promise to me, and she didn't keep it. So I'm pissed at her, and I know what you guys are thinking. Her, you got a girlfriend? No, I don't got a girlfriend. It's just a girl that I had as a friend, and now that friendship's gonna be broken off. That friendship broke off today, not today, last night, I should say, and now I am up to that point where now it's just become appalling at this point. So now I just don't know where to go from here, whether or not I do this or whether or not I do that. I'm just as plain dumbfounded as you guys are. So yeah. Well, I suppose I'm probably going to get this pail done, and then I'm probably going to call it quits for the day and see if I can get some videos of them putting on anhydrous yet. And then, if not, then we'll have to, and we'll just have to see how it is. So, yeah, but I guess I will see you guys all for probably another video, but I doubt I feel like doing another video today or tonight. So I guess with that being said, that's it for tonight. Talk to you guys all tomorrow. Later, you guys.